Welcome, welcome all to financial freedom. Someone was saying something. Okay. Okay. Welcome all. Welcome to financial freedom. Today, I am going to talk about trade setups in 9 stocks. What are the opportunities which people can observe and learn? Before I take you through those 9 stocks, this is a disclaimer. Whatever I'm sharing with you, I'm not at all telling you to trade. This is not a trading or investing advice. It is for purely for learning purposes only. If you all agree, please type yes so that we can proceed further. Okay, great. Type. Yes, I want few more yes. Okay, great. So let's proceed. Before we go to the trade setup, now, like I had mentioned in earlier webinar also, there are two types of movements in stock market. One is consolidation and one is trend. Consolidation means the stock will move something like this, either in a trapped zone between support and resistance. So we trap it inside a rectangle and wait for it to break out, or it will move in a triangle. So it will get compressed and then we draw this triangle and it will break out and go up as a trend. So there are only two types of movements in stock market. We can say one is consolidation, where it moves sideways. Another is the breakout, where it goes up, straight line up. When it is going up, it's an uptrend or a downtrend. It can go up, or after consolidation, it can go down also. Now, when it is going up, it will not go in a straight line. Zoom, say it will go up to some extent, but it will have to pause for some time. So what happens is, when it is going up, it goes up, comes down, again goes up, comes down and goes up. So it goes up, retraces a bit, goes up, retraces a bit, and again goes up. So this retracement, after it has gone, whatever it comes back, come down, is called retracement. And Fibonacci, we have measures for if it is retracing, how far it will go. So our today's setup for 9 stocks is we will be looking at Fibonacci retracements, what are the possibilities and till what point it can go further. So let's begin. Okay. Just a minute, give me 1 minute. How many of you saw this? Can you see the LNT? LNT on the chart? Yes. LNT chart you can see here. Okay. How many of you saw this post when I posted on the group for this LNT? I posted it somewhere here. It was up here and then it came down. So I had posted to see, observe it, that it might bounce from 2200 and go out. Now, the exact phenomena why I am starting with LNT here is because LNT, you can see it was under consolidation here. From almost Jan till Jan, it went down, came up, came down. It was trapped in a triangle in a consolidation. Then it broke out of the consolidation. Now, if you see here, it broke out of the consolidation. So let's say it started its trend from this point. The lowest point here for this candle on 30, let's say approximately 29th March, it started uptrend, it went till here and came down. Let's start from here. It started at 2121. We have this Fibonacci sheet. Let's put it here. Oh, I already put it here. So it is like, I will put it 2121. Okay, so it started from 2121. Here on 29th March, it went up, up, up. The highest point was 2330. So I'll put here 2330. Okay. Now, I already shared what is Fibonacci retracement, what are the levels of retracement. So the 61.8% retracement happened till 2200. Here at the bottom, it will retrace. If it retraces till 2200, it is a 61.8% retracement. So here it almost retraced. So 2200 is the retracement level, 61.8. If you put the Fibonacci tool, if you put it here, let's start from here. And if you put it here, also it will calculate and give you, this is the 61.8% retracement where we have drawn our line. So far, so good. So this is, it went up. Let me also make it disappear. Okay, so what happened was it broke out, it went till here, it retraced till 61.8%. Okay, everyone okay? Can I have yes? If you are good, so far so good? Yes? Okay. It almost came, it took support. If we say this way, just pay attention, this is very important. So here we can see almost it took support. The closing point was the previous top here. When it came down, it went up, it came down, it almost stopped here and then went up at 61.8 retracement. If we draw a line here, the line here is on the top, just previous top. So we can as well say the trend went up, came down and took support above the previous top and went up. How far it will go? We have a formula. Formula is, if the retracement is 61.8, then target one is 2330, second target is 2409, and third target is 2539. As per our earlier share, it was 2500 is the target. What happened? I deleted or what? Okay, no, okay. So 2500 was our target if the triangle goes. So it is matching with our target also. I'll just expand it for people who might be on mobile. So this is the retracement 2200, target 2330, 2409, 2539 is the target 3. As per our triangle, 2500 is the target. Okay. So what has happened is it has bounced from here, then it has gone up till here. This point high is 2416, which matches with 2409. So it has fulfilled the target 2. Now what will happen? It has started falling. Some news has come. It has started falling. So let's take the top. This is the, before this going up, can we say this is the top? This is the previous top. Before this going up, can I say this is the top? Okay. So I'll draw a line here. So let's say if it has gone up, it might possible that it might come till here, 2310. Okay. Now it has started going up from here. It is going up and coming down. Let's put this value. So I'll take the value of low of 24th April, 2186, and I'll put it here, 2186, and then point B, I'll put as 2416. 2416. So 230 retracement is 2328. So will it come? Okay, so it is 2309. So almost we have possibility of 38.2% retracement. If it comes to that retracement, what are the targets? It will go 2470 or 2558 or 2700. Again, matching with our triangle. Okay, so we can predict that, okay, it is likely to fall first till here, take support on the top, follow the Fibonacci principle, go here and go till little like above, it is almost 2558. So 2500 is our target, or 2470, it will be somewhere between target 1 and 2. So this is how it might play out. We are just playing around with the probability with our knowledge. So this will fit into retracement also and target. So if someone wants to, let's say, if someone is already in the trade while learning and he wants to observe, what he can see is observe what happens here. What if someone buys some share when it is coming down, where we should buy? If that is a question, then patiently a person can wait when it comes here, then buy while going up, keeping a tight stop loss, maybe 1 or 2 candle here. If it falls, we have to exit. Otherwise, bought here. If it goes up, adding further more here and right till here. So this is the way how you can plan your trades using Fibonacci. Clear to everyone? Everyone clear? Can I have yes from all of you? If you're the complete setup, how it goes step by step is clear? Yes, no? Okay, great. Thank you. Now, so since we have seen this, okay, so now, okay, I'll not take the iShare Motors. Let's take, okay. Now this iShare Motors, if you see, okay, how you take 38.2, 50% and 61.8. Okay, what I will do is it okay if we go slow, little slow, and I'll show you one by one, and even you can practice along with me, okay? Okay, now here, see here, what is happening is the trend went up from here to here, correct? This trend, it went up, it came down. From this point, can we take from this point to this point? Okay, I get the question. How do I decide from where to where take the trend? It takes little bit of practice, let's say, some practice. So let's say what happens is, let me take this trend from here to here, because it went up, retraced back, and then it went up. So let's take the low. So बहुत गिच पिच हो गया नहीं है. Okay. So Nikhil, I'm taking the, you can use the tool here. See, here is the tool in the end. Let's take it from here to here, no problem. From here to here, if we join till this point, to show, okay, let me wait. Found to show. Okay, I'll put the lines again, no problem. Okay, I'm starting from here. Okay, now if I start from here, there is a Fibonacci tool which you can use, but it does not give the targets. I have my own sheet for the targets. If you start from here and here, and select from the bottom starting of the point and till the end, then it retraced back to 38.20. If it is retracing back to 38.20, how far it will go? Let's put in the series. What is the low here? Low is 2922. Okay, point A is 2922. Then point B, it went till here. High is 3308. Okay, 3308. Then it has come to 3160. Let's see if it has come till, yeah, so it came here till almost 3158, which is a low. It started going up from here. So target one is 3399, that is 3400. Let's draw one line at 3400. 3400. Then we have 3546. 3546. Okay. And third target is 3785. Okay. So these are the three targets, 3785. Let's take 3785. Okay. So one more line. 3785. Okay. So it is somewhere here. The target is somewhere here. Okay. Okay. Fine. Everyone okay? So I have drawn this. This is a retracement. So this is the target 1, target 2, and target 3. After the retracement, it has almost touched the target 1. So target 1 is achieved. It is coming, it may go till here or again retrace and go up. So like that, it will go. So this Fibonacci, I have shared earlier. How many of you attended this Fibonacci webinar? I had shared this sheet earlier, right? I believe everyone must be having this sheet. Okay. Okay. No? Okay. Many are not having. Okay. What I will do is I'll share this sheet with you. Hold on. I will share this sheet with you. Okay. So point number, what you have to do is don't use this or delete anything. Once I share the link with you, go to the link, click on the link, and then here, when you are going to Google Sheet, it will give you file and then make a copy. So make a copy for yourself. Okay. Don't edit or do any deletion here because it will spoil the same for others. So simply go when I'm sharing the link, you'll be able to access the sheet. Then you can click file, make a copy and make a copy for yourself, and then you can use it. So we can use it together. So hold on, I'll give you the sheet. Okay. Okay. So I'm pasting the sheet in the chat box. So I hope put the link to the sheet on the chat box. Please go, don't change anything. I can see few people coming. Just make a copy for yourself. Don't do any edit or anything on this sheet. Make a copy for yourself. Make a copy and then close it so that other people can come in, because I think there is a limit to number of people who can access it. So just make a copy and close your tab. Okay, done. Great. So you can close the tab so that other people can access, because I think there is a limitation to how many people can access it. Okay, so let's go ahead. I think everyone has done. Okay, I can see people are logging out. So those who cannot done, Those who could not make a copy or save the link so that you can do it later. Okay. Those who are not getting the access, now you'll be able to get the access. Okay. Okay. Should we go ahead? We'll go ahead. People have link, they can copy it. Okay. Now let's go to the next chart. Okay. Next chart is Tata Communications. Okay. Now we'll try to predict. Okay. We'll try to predict how far it might go. It has gone up from here to here, this point, correct? I'm not saying it is going to come down immediately, but how do you calculate? So I'll just take you through step by step and then later you can practice. Now, step number 1. Okay. You can see the trend going from here till here. It has been an uptrend from here to here. It's almost straight uptrend. Can I have yes? Yes, you are able to see that trend. Okay, so take the lowest point in this. So lowest point is 696. Go to the Fibonacci setup here. On price moving up, we will put 696. Then we take the highest point which it has gone. Why this webinar I'm doing today is because there are some not so very good news coming in the market. So there is a likelihood that it will correct little bit. For that, we are preparing. Now the highest point is 786. Okay, so we have 786. Then it will complete movement is 90. Now 751 is the retracement, 38.2% retracement. So 751.62. So let's draw at 751.62. Okay, or we can say, okay, 761, 51 is okay. Now we have to go back and see whether this zone has been any support or resistance or not previously, because it will just not stop somewhere. It has to stop somewhere. Even if it is a retracement, it has to stop somewhere. Okay, so it has to stop somewhere in the support level. So I think this is not a very good support. Can we say, okay, okay, let's see, because I'm not finding here any much of support here. 740 is the support, correct? 740, let's take 740. 740 is the approximately, yeah, okay. Now, if 740 is the support, then if you go in FIP formula, see 50% retracement is around 740. Everyone can see this 50% retracement is at 741. Here where my mouse is moving. Correct? Yes, no? Okay. Now there is a possibility. Okay, I'm not saying it will go down till here. 50% retracement is quite high, but let's say if it goes down till here, we will observe. Going forward, we can observe, because it will usually take the support where it has taken support. 741 looks to be a good turnaround area, and previously also it has taken support. So 741, we can say, even we can keep an eye at 33% retracement. If it comes here, how far it will go? It will go 796, 831, 886. So 796. So after coming here, it will go till 796. And so on. So what you have to wait is, in case it slows down, it comes back, you have to either take a trade at 38.2 Correct, na? 38.2, or likelihood that it might take support at 50%. And when it comes to at 50%, it takes support reversal pattern. You can observe that it is likely to go again. This is the target 1, target 2, target 3. So people who think that, okay, it has gone up, and that question arises ki nahi yaar, abhi Tata Consumer has gone up so much, can I buy right now? This is one question which comes. So if you see that out of this is a consolidation which happened here, and let's say this was a consolidation which happened here between these two black lines. Here it got consolidated, then it shot up. Suddenly you find that, okay, Tata Consumer has gone too much up. Can I buy it? Can I buy it right now? Don't worry, it will retrace. If it retraces, wait for the retracement. On the retracement, where it starts going up with the reversal pattern, you can take and go, trade till target. Everyone okay? Can I have yes from all of you if this trade is clear? Why I am telling you this is because as it will retrace, if I am observing it, I will share it in the group. I will try to share it in the group when it is falling down. I'll expect people to observe it and see what happens. Anyway, I'll be sharing to the best of my efforts. But when I'm sharing, you should be clear what exactly I'm trying to say. Because if I'm telling you, okay, this is going down, this is going up, you should be able to correlate. After this session, you should be able to correlate with what is likely to happen. Everyone okay? Everyone good? Can I have yes from all of you if you have understood this? Okay. Okay, let's see. So what all opportunities we have? We have Tata Consumer right now, then SBIN again, you see. Here it has gone up. Now I'll move little fast. I'll move little fast because we'll see what all opportunities are arising. What we are discussing right now is not the right immediate ones, but the opportunities which are developing. If you see SBIN, it has gone up, 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 up. Let's say if we put this tool here and it has gone till here, it is, if this is at the support, is it having any support at 38.2? Let's see. Okay, okay, 38.2, some support here. Okay, not much, maybe at this level. Okay, so it's only good support at this level. Okay, so SBI, when it is coming down here, 23% retracement will be an interesting area. If you see a reversal pattern, because it is matching with the previous top also, don't rush. Because if it starts going up and if it crosses here, how far it is likely to go. So my suggestion is don't rush to buy. Acha, yahan pe aaya, reversal hua. Have patience, because if it starts going up after bouncing from here, just remember this top. If it starts, wait for it to cross here. I can not guarantee, but you can observe that it will go to here. Now we draw here and we see whether it is matching with any past resistance or not. If it is matching, okay, so it is pretty far away. Let's match here. So there is a likelihood that when it retraces and goes up, if it retraces from here, it is matching. So most likely it will come retrace from 38.2 and then likely to go up. So what we have to do as a traders or a technical analyst, what we have to do is we have to put this Fibonacci either by formula or this thing or by lines, wait for it to come here. If it is coming out of here, don't rush to buy. If you're buying, then keep a very tight stop loss. Okay. You can see the trade when it crosses from here to here also 580 to 624. Kitna ho gaya? It's a fantastic trade, right? 580 to 625, 45 points, almost 8 to 9%. Also in 8 to 10 days you can do. Okay. No, Bharti, have you joined little late? Bharati or Bharti or okay, Dr. Sen, I would say. Dr. Sen, might be you have joined late. I have shared the sheet. I'll share it again at the end of the session. Okay, so SBIN okay with everyone? What we are looking for, how we are looking for? Yes. So what we do is when it has gone up, we wait for it to retrace back and take the trade for write up, because all our stocks, many stocks in India are coming in a trending phase now. See, again, ITC, it has gone up. If it retraces and then starts going up, you can use Fibonacci in ITC. Bharat Petroleum Corporation, again, there is a huge trend. If there is a retracement, wait for the retracements. Now, since there is some not so good news coming in the market, that is an opportunity where we wait for a retracement. So it has gone up, wait for a retracement, and then starts going up. You know how to ride the wave. So BPCL again, it is going up and okay. So this is under trend. I'm just sharing the stocks. LNT we have done already. I'll just delete it. I will also sharing on the group as and when it happens so that you can correlate. Eicher Motors we have done. Again, Tata Consumer we have done. This is all done. Then we have here. Let's see McDowell. What is happening? Okay, so McDowell I had posted few days back. This is a consolidation, and today this McDowell has closed above. So we can technically say that the breakout has happened for the triangle. For this triangle, what is the target? Let's see if we see the width of this triangle, what I had shared earlier. If you see, you can observe if it goes from here to here in, okay, from here to here, is it matching with the resistance? Yes, it is matching with the resistance. This gap is here, the support resistance here. So there is a possibility that it might go from here to here. How many days it will take? It will take half days of the consolidation. So from here to here, it has consolidated before the breakout, 48 bars. We reduce it to 24 bars here. Now from the breakout date, 24 bar. So it will be interesting to observe. Okay, so earnings is also coming. So it will be reaching 848 most likely within this zone before 6th of June, since it has started going up. Earnings is also coming. So it is more likely that it may, okay, we are technical analyst, we cannot say confirm that it will happen. It may happen that by earnings date or one day after earning. So since breakout has happened technically, there is a possibility that it will go there. Fine, everyone okay? Can I have yes from all of you if you are okay with McDowell? Yes, okay. One more thing. Have you learned something good today, like exciting, something new which you can use in your trading? Okay, very few. How about others? Have you learned something interesting that, okay, we can do it, we can learn it, and we can do it on our own? Yes? Okay, great. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's go to PI Industries. Again, PI Industries, it has come out from the triangle. Okay, I have already shared what are the targets. You also know what are the targets for PI Industries. What you can observe is from here to here. Okay, and then it is from here to here. This is the target as per the triangle. Will it go straight? No, it will not go straight till here. So you can ride the wave. So it might go up till here, resistance come down till this top, again go up. It will go in waves. So it will always go in waves. So this is how you can observe how PI Industries goes up. So maybe mostly it might go till here, further retrace back till here, which is the peak of here. Then again, it might go till here, or it might do one more retracement. So this is how it will go. So it breaks out, it goes first in a wave, retraces, again goes up. So this is how you have to see, this is how you have to use consolidation and Fibonacci. Consolidation, you have to see the pattern. Once the pattern breaks out, then you have to shift the gear and start trading Fibonacci retracement. So this is how you have to use both, like consolidations. You have to look for consolidations. You have to look for breakouts. If you see somewhere it has broken out, wait for it to retrace and then ride the wave. If there is no breakout, if it is consolidating, wait for the consolidation to break out, then you can earn. Either you can hold or add more position as it retraces and goes further. It will add to your position. Okay. So again, no, nothing has happened. Tata, nothing has happened. Bata India, it is going up. Okay. Now Indian Oil, again, the breakout has happened few days back. It is going. Again, it will retrace till here. I hope everyone is remembering. If you're not remembering, you should go back and check the video. It is likelihood that it will retrace. So it has gone up. It may retrace to the high of this high and it will go up. Okay. Ashokji, it has still not retraced. It is going up. When it will retrace back, then you have to add to position. Right now it is good. ITC is good. Don't worry. It is going up. I showed that, okay, it will retrace. Then you have to take the trade. You have to measure and take the trade. Okay. So everyone okay with IOC? How it might play? It might go up, come down. Okay. So either you can, when it is coming down, you can book your profit, again enter here and ride up. You can, based on your experience, you can do that. Okay, IOC, we are done. Dalmia Bharat, again, see, it has gone up. If you see, it has started taking rest at what retracement? See, sorry, this is not the, this is the retracement. It went up from here to here, retraced 38.2, gone up. Now it is moving sideways. This will start making flag pattern. Maybe from here, it is likely to shoot. Let's see if it shoots or not. Okay, this is, okay, this has started. MTR technology has started shooting up. See, IDFC Bank, we shared this trade here sometime 20th April. This trade was there. How beautifully it is fulfilling the promise of the triangle. So this is the triangle. Breakout happened here. It is simply trying to prove in the one go. It is trying to prove the breakout of the triangle. Almost it reached till 65. The target was 67, but within 2 to 3 days. Okay, Adani, nothing is happening right now. Okay, this I'll be declaring later. Okay, so this brings us to the end of all the trades what I wanted to share. The objective is that I want every one of you to go back and I have already shared the list of stocks in the post in the morning, which I had sent that we'll be studying this. I'll be uploading the video as well. So I would request every one of you to go back. I'll share the sheet link also, make a copy for yourself. You have the tool, you have this video, go back and have a look at this video and practice what happens, and so that you are able to learn and maybe use it someday. Okay, so okay, so what, 9:40. Okay, so we can wait for, okay, so if you have any questions, type your name. We can go through it one by one. Just type in your name. Okay, Anupam. Okay. Okay, Anupam ji, go ahead and unmute yourself.
Yeah, Samir, I just wanted to ask you, like I was watching Tata Steel today, and the breakout point which we had discussed, so it touched it within 5 minutes, the first 5-minute candle, which is usually very volatile, and then it started going down. So I was just trying to understand if we are entering the trade and if it touches our point of entry, is it since the first 5-7 minutes are very volatile, is it still a good idea to enter the trade at that time, or should one wait?
See, there are two ways of approaching it. One is you apply the trade and you take the trade. Okay. If it goes down, like this wick has formed here, if you are taking the trade and you can see this long wick is forming, correct?
Right.
Better to come out, take some loss, small loss, and come out. अभी इसका भरोसा नहीं है कि ये breakout, clean breakout नहीं है. This can be a breakout trap also, because since we are learning this, there are thousands of people who learn this. So there will be some players who know that we have learned this and might use this to trap us. ठीक है, वो catch 22 है कि हम भी सीख रहे हैं, कोई और भी सीख रहा है, कोई और भी सीख रहा है, वो हमको ट्रैप करने की कोशिश करेगा. Like I said, it's a jungle. It's a jungle out there. So someone is trying to kill someone else here in the jungle. There is all jungle ka rule here. So what we have to do is we have to circumvent that jungle ka rule. So not to get into trap. If it is coming out, if we enter again, if the breakout is not successful, if it comes down with a long wick, exit. Wait for it to again break out. That is strategy number one. Strategy number two is wait for it to close properly. Like here, like we have LNT example of McDowell. Now here, no love lost, right? Here, if we are having, if I delete this here, if you are seeing here today peacefully, it has closed above our line. So breakout has happened. Tomorrow we'll buy, maybe we'll be getting it here. Nothing happening. We don't have to rush. Tomorrow morning comfortably we can buy here. Maybe we'll get here. Maybe we'll get here. But if tomorrow if it opens below, don't go ahead. If it is opening up, buy it. We still have some nice 7 to 8% in 10 to 12 days. Good enough, right? So depending on what, some people drive fast, some people drive cautiously. I'm neither saying one is good or one is bad. What I'm saying is, if you are driving rash, your brakes should be rock solid. You should be able to apply your brakes very fast and very quickly. So if you want to enter like here, then apply brakes quickly if it is going down. If you want to drive comfortably, then let it close, then buy, then let it go. Still you will have to apply brakes, but thoda aaram se. Okay, Anupam ji, clear?
Yeah, thank you very much, Samir.
Okay, sir, welcome. Okay, so let's go to the next question. What are FIP settings do we need to change from default? No, there is no need to change from default. How to select stocks when we have so many breakouts? Yes, that is difficult. So don't go to rob bank so that you will have a lot of money. Take one by one, right? When we have so many stocks, just put alert. Whichever closes up, take that trade. Once money is exhausted, just sit back, enjoy, see your money growing. Correct. This is not a casino, right? This is stock market. So we have to put money and then just see it going up. ठीक है महावीर? Okay. Now Adani ENT, let's see Adani still people have a lot of hopes. So let's see Adani ENT. Okay, Adani NT is in triangle. Let it close above this line. I have joined this top. I have joined this top. Let it close above this. It might go up till here. I don't have, it might go till this level in the near future. Beyond that, we don't know. So this triangle, when it breaks out here, let it close above it, then only it will go. So Vini, right? Am I pronouncing correct? So Vinny, let it break out, let it go above this line, then only you do it. Okay, now I'll come. Okay, yeah, Ashish, go ahead.
Yes, Samir, sorry, I missed starting. So I don't know, recording will be available or.
Recording will be available. I'll be uploading the recording. Yes.
Oh,
okay. Okay, then we have Siddhika coating. Okay, I never heard SIDDIK. Okay, Siddhika coatings. Okay, so I would only say don't trade in this stock. This is a manipulated stock. Okay. This is a total manipulated stock. No stock behaves this like this. This is a total abnormal behavior because of the volume also. See, it is only 2000 shares being traded. Even if I buy 2000 shares, it will take me only how much? 32,000 rupees. Correct. And even I can put a upper circuit. So this is not a good stock to trade at all. At least not, I cannot trade it technically. So avoid it. Okay. Yeah, Karthik, go ahead.
Sir, can you open Bandhan Bank?
Bandhan Bank, okay.
And
okay.
I added the Fibonacci retracement. So if you try to check the starting point of around 183 rupees, right?
Here?
And 183, which touches to
Here?
210 or 211, so
Okay.
214. So if you try to see here, the topmost section is somewhere around the current price, which is showing around 232, right, or 233.
Correct.
It has reached to that place. So should I hold or should I exit by this time?
See, you can do two things. One is your target is achieved anyway.
Yes, sir, right.
So one thing is you can trail the stop maybe behind 3 candles or something like that.
Okay.
One strategy is like that. Okay. Second is anyway, since the wicks are forming longer, it will come back. It will retrace back. Because see, the bodies have become smaller and the upper wicks are longer. So there is a likelihood that it might come down. How far? So we can say, okay, these are the previous support levels here. This wick is coming. We can draw here. Check back. Okay, this was a decent support in the past also. Let's go further past. Okay, here also. Okay, so this seems to be a decent place where it is likely to bounce. So you can take your chances. It is likely to go up, come here. What is the retracement level here? Let's see this next wave starts from here to here. Okay, and this matches with the 38.2 retracement, this point. So you can hold on till here. If it goes below this, you can exit. That is strategy number 1. Strategy.
Yes, sir. Sorry to interrupt, sir. Actually, I sold today. Okay, I'm just waiting for the next return situation.
So you see this point seems to be a decent 33, 38.2 retracement. So it comes here, forms a reversal pattern. You can again ride the wave. So how far it is likely to go? It may go again till here, the next stop.
Okay, sir. I have one more question.
Yeah.
Since you said like we can consider the straight lines or the Fibonacci, right? If we try to add any moving average lines as well to decide whether we can exit or we can still continue to hold, can we consider to have multiple indicators in that situation?
You can use, but don't use more than two or max to max two indicators you use, two or three.
Okay, okay.
Because what happens is, and you should be using complementary. So if you should know what that indicator does. Okay, so you
Okay.
have to study that indicator. It should not happen that the philosophy of the indicators are contradictory.
Okay, okay.
Then it will create a problem. Like you can use moving average and like MACD, and you can use ADX. So because MACD is a momentum indicator and ADX shows the momentum. Okay, so
Okay.
you will in MACD, you will see the higher high forming. And if in ADX it has gone below 15, that means it is in consolidation. The volatility has reduced. Now, if breakout happens, it will go. So MACD and ADX will help each other.
Okay.
So
Okay.
you have to use more indicators. Doesn't mean like right trading. Indicators you have to choose basis how they are complementing each other. Okay.
Okay. In
Otherwise,
that
it becomes
case,
very difficult.
okay, sorry, sir, sorry. In that case, what is the right other indicator can be used along with Fibonacci retracement?
Fibonacci, see, I use Ichimoku. So I see this is indicator which will give. So now so we did all this jugglery. Here in Ichimoku, it is already drawn a line for me here.
Okay,
See
okay,
this black line. Okay. And this red line is also coming here. So I
okay,
have to just simply draw a line here. I use this indicator. So mostly when it will come here at this line, I'll buy. So this, I use this one indicator after like trading for quite some time. I found this indicator to be Ichimoku indicator to be quite powerful. It has a lot of other indicators inbuilt in it. So I use
okay,
only one indicator.
okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
So you can use MACD ADX, or you can use RSI. RSI in itself is good. RSI divergences are good. You can use RSI and moving average if you want to. That is a good combination like that.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Okay, right. Okay, so we have Solaris, we have covered Chambal fertilizer. Okay. Okay, I'll go to Pawan's. Pawan, I have uploaded a playlist, so you can go through the playlist. It is in the sequence. It's in the numbering, है ना? So it will not be in confusing. Okay, Chambal fertilizer will take. Yeah, Ashish, you are saying something.
Yes, sir. One question, sir. From where we come to know the stocks? Because I will be knowing 4, 5 stocks, okay, which I'll be doing it. But there are many other stocks, okay. From where you get the list?
This is Nifty 50 only. I'm sharing from Nifty 100 max to max.
Okay, so all 100 charts we have to see.
Right,
Right, or any...
see, once you start seeing, it will take only 5-10 minutes for you.
Okay.
See, once you look at it, like LNT, you need not look at it every day. Once you see, let's say, just for example, LNT. Okay, once you see, यार ठीक है, consolidation में है, line बना दी, then you don't have to look. You can just put an alert or something, and it's done. So it's not that. It's only initially maybe first Saturday, Sunday. It takes little time. Start with Nifty 50.
Okay.
That will take some time, and then you can. It does not have to be monitored every day. You can then start putting them in the watch list. Like I have this watch list. Once I know, okay, this is consolidating, I'll start putting it in this watch list.
Okay.
Okay, Chambal fertilizer is the last thing we take today. Okay, Chambal fertilizers. Okay, what we want. Chambal fertilizers. Okay, this is in consolidation phase right now. More of a downtrend. Okay, it went down, it went up, went down, went up. So it's a almost like a reverse head and shoulder. Let's say we take it this way. Okay, okay, Rupesh. This is most likely head and shoulder here. Okay, this is the neck, and if you say neckline is broken, with this has gone up. This is the volume. I'll hide the Ichimoku indicator. Okay, so we can say this is shoulder 1, head, shoulder 2. Shoulder 2 is on a shoulder 2 bottom is higher than this bottom. Picture perfect head and shoulder. Breakout has happened. Volume is good. Okay, so now the next question is how far it will go. We have to measure from the end of the head till the neckline here. Let's take it till here, neckline. Add it to the breakout here. And let's draw one line here and see if it is matching with some support and resistance or not here. Okay, let's go behind. Okay, so somewhere it is matching, but if you want to be on the safer side, match till here. So you can book some profit here. This is also good, right? So if you are riding the wave from 290 till 320, piece point 10% in next maybe 10-15 days. Rupesh, are you okay? Are you happy with that? 10% in 8 to 10 days? Okay. So again, but it doesn't mean you don't have to be vigilant. नीचे भी जा सकता है. It's not like some Gita or something like that. कि नहीं बोल दिया मतलब जाएगा. नहीं. It has a higher probability to go. You have to chase it and with your permission, can I post it in the group also? Rupesh, I have your permission because this is your find. If you're okay, I'll post it. Okay, great. Just hold on. Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, we are learning from you. It's a learning from you only. So 101% you can post.
Okay, so I'll put it in my watch list and then I'll post it tomorrow. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Samiji, can you hear me?
Yeah, Manjunath. So I'll take this last question and then we will close the call. Yeah, Manjunath, go ahead.
Can you please check Astral and Clean Science? I see a head and shoulder breakout, kind
Astral.
of breakout. Yeah, Astral and Clean Science.
Astral, this one. Can you spell it for me? A-S-T?
ASTRAL.
Okay. Astral Limited. Okay, yeah, correct. You're right. Correct. This is, but only thing is this shoulder is little almost same. Chambal fertilizer, if you see, I'll just post it. Chambal fertilizer here. Chambal fertilizer. This is the bottom and this is the bottom. Okay. And
okay.
Astral, this is the bottom, this is the bottom. Okay. So
okay.
Be cautious. Yes, it has done a breakout here and we have volume also, we have earnings coming in, so things are matching. You can go ahead, the likely target can be till here. Yes, I agree with you that it is a reverse head and shoulder.
Yeah,
the
reverse head and
shoulder can be till here. But since the shoulder, it's not like a book definition, it is not there.
Yeah.
If it was little higher, we would be more happy. Here we'll be satisfied. If it is going up, be cautious of it because this candle with wick also has formed long wick on the top. So sometimes what happens is, if we take this as a neckline here, need not worry. It may come to this neckline, it pulls back to neckline and then goes ahead. Okay. So if it is coming till here, let's say tomorrow, day after tomorrow, if it is coming within 1 or 2 days here, still need not worry. It doesn't mean that the head and shoulder has failed. Sometimes it may happen that it may come here.
Please send somebody for cleaning the plates.
Huh?
Yeah, food is good.
Okay, so and then it can go up. So this is how it can happen. Okay. And you can take the target as this location. Like you can measure head to neck and neck to here, it will be almost same. So it should match with the previous resistance. So it gives us more, what we can say, more peace of mind. Yeah, there is a possibility that it will reach there.
Okay. One more last,
Okay.
Samir. Clean science.
अरे नहीं हो गया भैया 10 o'clock it's already there, so I think maybe you can do it and share it with me. I'll just check through it.
Sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, so great. Okay, so Ashok ji is saying Engineers India for very long time, so I'll take that. Engineers India. Okay, I'll take Ashok ji. You are there or you are left?
ये तो सब अच्छा ब्रेकआउट।
ओके, ओ वाह, अच्छा, इट हैज गॉन। अगर आपके पास है तो खुशियां मनाइए, और अगर नहीं है तो
मैंने तो सर कल बाय किया था इसको।
कर लिया था इसको कल बाय?
हाँ, कल किया था।
अच्छा, फैंटास्टिक है। फिर जिसने बाय कर लिया वो खुशी मनाए, जिसने नहीं बाय किया वो ओके। So इसमें what I can give you, it is good. My view is fantastic. If you have bought, like Rajesh has bought, congratulations. If you have not bought, we'll wait for it to retrace and then we'll buy.
लेकिन सर इसमें पहले वॉल्यूम नहीं था ना सर?
हाँ, पहले वॉल्यूम नहीं था, होता है ऐसा, मतलब see suddenly the volume comes. Sometimes they will behave like that, but we don't know when it will behave like that. तो ठीक है, let it go. मतलब जो अपने हाथ में there is some song में कि जो हाथ आया वो अपना था, जो छूट गया वो बेगाना था। स्टॉक मार्केट में भी ऐसे ही है कि अपने हाथ में आ गया तो अपना है, राजेश जी के हाथ में आ गया तो राजेश जी का स्टॉक है, अपने हाथ से छूट गया तो बेगाना स्टॉक है। Okay, great. So thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining. I hope you enjoyed the session today. Thanks a lot. See you next Wednesday. Thank you. Okay, thank you so much.